Ethan lived in a small town and had one dream since childhood. He wanted to become a pilot. Every time a plane flew across the sky, he would stop whatever he was doing and look up with excitement. He always said, "One day, that will be me." He studied hard for years, saved money, and finally applied to a flight academy. The day the results arrived, his heart raced. He opened the letter with a smile. Then his smile disappeared. Application rejected. It felt like someone had taken away the future he had imagined for years. For months, Ethan became quiet. He stopped talking about dreams and stopped looking at the sky. One evening, while walking home in the rain, he saw a little boy sitting on the roadside, crying. Ethan walked over and asked, "Why are you crying?" The boy wiped his tears and said, "I want to go to school, but my mother can't afford books." Ethan looked at the child and felt something change inside him. Days later, he started helping children in his town with their studies. One child became 2, 2 became 10, and 10 became many more. What started as helping a few children slowly became a learning center, then schools in different places. One day, a reporter asked Ethan, "Do you still feel sad that you never became a pilot?" Ethan smiled and looked at the sky. Then he said, "I wanted to fly in the clouds, but God wanted me to help others rise instead." The end. Sometimes God's plans don't take you away from your purpose, they take you to a bigger one.